Our first step for solving the given equation is to combine like terms. We notice that the two fractions that were given that are constants contain the same denominator. So then it should be easy to combine like terms in this case. What we will do is subtract 4/8 from both sides of the equation so that we can get this to cancel out on the left hand side, and we're left with just a variable term. We then have 2/4 x equal to 7 minus 4 is 3/8. Now, you can go about solving it two different ways. I'll show two methods at this point. The first method you might use is by multiplying everything by the LCM, or the least common multiple, in this case the least common denominator. For 4 and 8 we would have 8 as our LCD. So we would multiply everything in the equation by an 8. Now, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 divided by 4 is 4, so we would then have 4x equals 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So our last step would be to divide by 4 on both sides. So our answer in this case would be x equals 3/4. Now, this is the first method. The second method, we would obtain the same information here. So 2/4 x equals 3/8. Now this next method would ask you to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the coefficient of x. So the reciprocal of 2/4 is 4/2. And we would multiply both sides by 4/2. So what would happen on the left hand side, the 4's would line out and the 2's would line out, and we would be left with x. Now what we would obtain on the right hand side would be the following. We know that we can reduce diagonally. 4 goes into 4 and 8. We would be left with 1 here, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So x would be equal to 3/4, which again is the same answer obtained in the first method.